How to fix login errors in Kayak. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi. And if you are connected to a secure network, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection while logging in. However, if there's any other kinds of problem while logging in, you want to simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the application. Here's our Kayak application. Simply tap and hold on to it and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache, and here at the bottom of your screen you'll see two options called Clear Storage and Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache to clear cache of the application and click on Clear Storage to delete the files. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.